Maybe you have experienced slides in Microsoft PowerPoint that are messy, meaning that the slides that should be at the top are instead at the bottom and vice versa, and you are confused about how to rearrange them. So, to restore the slide order to its correct order, it's very easy. Read this tutorial to the end to find out how. We only need to shift the slide to be moved, by clicking on the selected slide. Hold on, don't let go, just click the mouse, then friends, slide it to the desired position. Swipe up if you want to move the slide to the top, and swipe down if you want to move the slide to the bottom position. So how about it, friends? It's easy, right? That's how to move Microsoft PowerPoint slides from bottom to top or vice versa. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all friends.